Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to read chapter number 7, A Trip to London. Before going to start this chapter, let's warm up a little. Traveler consists of experiences of a person who has been to a particular place. In this chapter, we will read Daniel and Daisy's traveler on the trip to London. Actually, Daniel and Daisy were the two school child. They were going to London. In this chapter, we will learn about their travel history. Daniel's and Daisy's school had organized a trip to London last month during summer holidays. It was the first time they had travelled without their parents to a foreign country. It is their first travel that they were travelling to a foreign country without their parents. They were very excited. Excited means they are very happy about this trip because London is the home of their favorite author J.K. Rowling, who is the writer of the famous Harry Potter series. Harry Potter series, you know that it's a very good story, and J.K. Rowling and the London was the home of the writer J.K. Rowling. Okay, and J.K. Rowling was their favorite writer. They love to read about the adventures of Harry Potter and other interesting characters that are part of the books in this series. There are other famous writers from London as well, such as William Black, Beatrix Potter, William Shakespeare, etc., whose writings Daniel and Daisy like to read. But that is not the only reason for their excitement, for their happiness. They were also eager to see the Palace of Queen, many other famous tourist places of London. Actually, London was the place that they loved very much, and it was the attraction of, or it was the home of famous writer and very famous places that they were very much attracted to it. Daniel was in class VII and Daisy was in class BII. Despite the typical cold weather, the wind, the fog, which London is famous for, the students brushed themselves to encounter London and its countryside with great gusto. Here gusto means enjoyment. Actually, London is famous for cold weather and the wind, cold wind, fog. Despite of it, the two children ready to face or ready to encounter London and its countryside with great gusto. Great gusto means enjoyment. Their school had organized this trip to the wonderful city of London, where students got the opportunity to spend 5 days and 4 nights. Actually, the trip was organized by their school, and it was the trip of 5 days and 4 days, nights. They were accompanied by the headmistress and respective class teacher. Here accompanied means they were coming to London with their headmistress and their class teachers. It was a jam-packed roller coaster. Here roller coaster means a type of amusement ride. Okay, ride for every day through different places in London. Here jam-packed means packed as tightly as possible. Okay, their first destination was Buckingham. Here destination means place. Their first place was Buckingham Palace, which has served as the official London residence of Britain's sovereigns. Sovereigns means here control since 1837. Actually, the first place and the first destination of there was Buckingham Palace, and it was the place, it had been served as the residence of Britain's sovereign since 1837. Today, it is the administrative headquarters of monarchs. Every year, some 50,000 guests are entertained at garden parties, receptions, audiences, and banquets organized there. Here, banquets means here evening meal, evening party. Okay, Buckingham Palace is a symbol and home of British monarchy. Monarchy means British kingdom. It was the home of British monarchy, British kingdom. It was not only a home of British monarchy but also an art gallery and a tourist attraction. Okay. Hand in hand with this came the chance to see the change of guards at the palace. Palace means here the Buckingham Palace. The Queen's Guard and the Queen's Life Guard are the names given to the infantry and cavalry soldiers. Here, infantry means soldier marching foot. Okay, foot soldier. Okay, and cavalry means soldiers fought with horse, fought at the horseback. Okay, charged with guarding the official royal residence in London. Changing the guard mounting is the process involving a new guard exchanging duty with old guard. The guards moved with amazing coordination, and the music played by the band was solemn and up to the occasion. Daisy and Daniel got the opportunity to march along with the guards, which turned out to be totally a new experience. And actually, Daniel and Daisy were allowed to march with the soldiers, okay, in the palace, at the palace. And it was their first experience, or it was their new experience in their life. A leisurely cruiser down the river. Here, cruiser means a ship. Okay. Thames was a great way to see London. Thames here means a river name, okay, which flows near the London. The tour operators had many treats in store for the children. Actually, tourist operator means the guide, okay, or the tourist operator who had lots of packages for the children in the children's trip. Okay. The legendary Tower of London, a historical castle. Castle means here building, a historical building. The central London had played a prominent role in English history. In English history, the legendary Tower of London, as you heard from many books or many movies, it was a very historical place in the central London. Okay, had played a prominent place or prominent role in entire England or London. Okay, it was besieged several times and it had been important for controlling the country. Here, besieged means surrounded with armed forces. Okay, the tower was besieged. It was besieged means it was surrounded by huge army. Okay, and controlling it had been important for controlling the country. That means to control the Tower of London, that means the control of entire London. Okay. The tower has served variously as an armory. Armory means a place where weapons are kept. A treasury, a menagerie. A menagerie means a place where wild animals are kept or exhibited. The home of the Royal Mint, a public record office. A public record office means a place where the public records are kept, and the home of the crown jewels of United Kingdoms. Here, along with the tour guide, showed them other iconic sites like Westminster Abbey, the Westminster Bridge, the Big Ben, the London Eye, and the famous London Bridge. Looking at these buildings from the river was fun. Actually, while they were cruising through the river, there were other sites, other famous sites such as Westminster Bridge, the Big Ben, the London Eye, and the famous London Bridge are the another iconic places are to be seen. And looking at these buildings from the river was really a fun. After the Thames cruise, the next stop was Madame Tussauds. Madame Tussauds, you know, a major tourist attraction in London, displaying waxwork of historical and royal figures. Actually, Madame Tussauds is a museum where vast works of famous personalities like Shah Rukh Khan, Sachin Tendulkar, Barack Obama, and many other famous personalities from history are shown there. Okay, and it was really very excited to enjoy. Okay, Daniel was especially very excited to see his namesake of Daniel Radcliffe. Here, Daniel Radcliffe was the famous personalities of Daniel, so Daniel became very happy. This much, and the later part will be taught soon in my next class, and the question and answer will be sent soon. Thank you. Have a nice day.